In this video, I'll show you how to configure caching on Cloudflare. So of course you want to be on the Cloudflare dashboard for whatever specific website we are going to edit the cache settings for. And then we're going to create a new caching rule. So what we're going to do is go to Rules, and then we'll go to the right-hand side of the screen and click on Create Rule. And we're going to select Cache Rule. Now we can opt for templates like bypass cache for everything. Alternatively, you can create your own rule from scratch. So you want to give your rule a name, and then you can set custom filter expressions, or you can apply the rule to all requests. Next, we're going to set the field, be it a URL path or a URL query string, that's up to you. Next, you're going to pick the operator, which is more like conditions, and then set your value. Then make sure you're set on eligible for cache, and then you can edit further like HTTL and browser TTL. Each of these have instructions with them, so I'm not going to go too deep into that. When we're done, all we need to do is hit deploy, and that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.